The Mahindra Thar RWD in Aqua Marine is a stylish and rugged off-road SUV that combines adventure with everyday practicality. Designed for enthusiasts who seek the thrill of a capable vehicle without the complexity of a four-wheel drive system, the Thar RWD offers a more accessible option for city driving while retaining its off-road DNA. Under the hood, the Thar RWD comes with two engine options. The 1.5-liter Grille diesel engine produces 117 bhp and 300 Nm of torque, paired with the 6-speed manual transmission. This diesel variant benefits from lower taxation due to its smaller displacement, making it an attractive choice for budget-conscious buyers. The petrol variant features a 2.0-liter M-Stallion turbocharged engine, delivering 150 bhp and 320 Nm of torque, and is available with a 6-speed automatic transmission for a smoother and more convenient driving experience. The exterior of the Thar RWD remains identical to its 4WD counterpart, featuring the iconic boxy design, bold front grille, circular headlamps, and muscular wheel arches. The Aqua Marine color gives it a distinctive and modern look, enhancing its road presence. With a high ground clearance and rugged build, the Thar RWD maintains its adventurous appeal while being more suitable for urban and highway use. Inside, the Thar RWD offers a functional and comfortable cabin. The dashboard layout is practical, with the 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are well cushioned, and the interior is designed to withstand rough usage, making it ideal for those who love road trips and outdoor adventures. While the rear seats offer decent space, the two-door design means accessing the back row requires some effort. Since it lacks a transfer case and a 4WD system, the Thar RWD is lighter, which contributes to improved fuel efficiency. It is equipped with safety features like dual airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP with rollover mitigation, and a robust body structure that enhances crash safety. One of the key advantages of the RWD variant is its lower price compared to the 4WD model, making it more appealing for buyers who primarily drive on paved roads but still want the rugged look and feel of the Thar. The reduced weight and the rear-wheel drive configuration also make it more fun to drive on city roads, providing a lively and engaging experience. Overall, the Mahindra Thar RWD in Aqua Marine is an excellent choice for those who admire the classic off-road styling but prefer a more practical and budget-friendly option for everyday driving. It retains the essence of the Thar while offering improved efficiency and affordability, making it a compelling option for urban adventurers and lifestyle buyers.